came up in this motherfucker to jam tonight on some real hip-hop shit. This is the jam on y'all asses real quick, baby. How many people came in tonight to party? I said, how many people came in tonight to party? Uh-oh. Well, if you came here to party, somebody say party! Say party! Say party! Party! It goes a one. Oh no. It goes a two. Oh no, no. It goes a one. Oh no. 2, 3, somebody. Throw your hands in the air and wave them like a dance on there. And if you wanna get naughty by tonight, somebody say, oh yeah. I wanna see y'all who wanna play with me. Wave your hands across the land and we family. Say hot damn, we want a jamboree. That's what my peeps here. I stand for you cause you stand for me. I know a jam, jam, jam. Well, damn, I know a jam, I know a jam, jam. Don't worry, I know a jam, I know a jam, jam. Well, damn, I know a jamboree. Come on, look at two people in England and 10 from rim, smoke shit. Who goes the big word? For the real in the bar, now who ducks from the law? I never kill for the thrill, but I cut for the call. Smoking Buddha with a hooter, yeah, better fight some Buddhas. Chill with the shooters, we the brother with two drugs. Something modeling and acting, baby, tricks and selling. While I'm yelling, first I'm loving with my cat you're melon. Booyah! Hella heated too ill for them to be the most cheated, most sweeted, most me. You best believe this ain't a tape jam for me. Sing for me, you're damn to be without the jamboree. I know a jam, I know a jam, jam. Well, a jam, I know a jam, I know a jam, jam. Don't worry, I know a jam, I know a jam, jam. Well, a jam, why don't you jamboree? Somebody in the place say hey! Jersey is in the building tonight, man. Uh-oh. I want to ask a question real quick, y'all.
Oh boy.
Huh?
I think it's time we thug this one out, man.
Let's thug it out real quick. They wouldn't let us bring no liquor in here. So we drunk it before we came and shit. Fuck it. And save the rest for the after party. Shit. Woo! What up? Let me ask this question. How many of my Tupac riders we got in this motherfucker tonight? God damn it. Hold on, Trench. I know the whole state of New Jersey had more love than that for Tupac Shakur, man. Came to Jersey, got the Outlaws. Yeah. One shot for Jersey. One shot for the Machiavelli, the Don Tupac Shakur. When I drink, you drink. When I smoke, you smoke. When I fuck, you fuck. When we roll on them bitch-ass niggas that murdered you, you roll on them bitch-ass niggas that murdered you. I'ma ask it one more time. How many of my West Side Machiavelli, the down riders, we got out this motherfucker to know? Where are my Tupac riders at? Where are my Tupac riders? I get around, nigga. Where are my Tupac riders? We still riding with the underground. Somebody say Tupac. Say Tupac. Say Tupac. Somebody say Tupac.
I got this next one for you.
Somebody sing this shit. Somebody sing this shit. What you know? Sing. Come with me. Sing it. Hell, everything I run quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride it now? Sing. Come on. Come with me. Sing it. Hell, everything I run quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride it down? Sing. It's Brooklyn. Somebody say ho! Say ho, ho! Best say hip hop! Say hip hop! You know what? We got time to ask a question?
Yes, sir.
I want to know something.
Take your time. Let's go back.
I want to know how many people out there from the old school? Y'all look a little bit too young. Y'all look too good to be down those. I think y'all lying. Y'all bullshit. Hold on. Hold on. I want y'all to say something. I want to say hello. Trench.
Hello, Professor Trench.
Because we about to take you back to the old school, the school of hard knocks. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give y'all motherfuckers a test. Now if you pass it, only thing you got to do to pass it is sing along. If your tongue is strong.
Hold on. Before you do that, we got to take it back even further than that, old boy.
Oh, we going back to the oh shit.
I gotta ask y'all again.
The rusty album.
How many people are down with the old school? Come on, come on. Somebody put your hands up. Come on.
Say what? Put your hands up.
Go. Somebody say, old school.
How many of y'all remember this?
Come on, man. I said, how many people are down with the old school?
How many of y'all remember this?
Hey, somebody say, old school.
Y'all remember the walk?
Come on, walk it out, child. 1, 2, in the house, you don't stop. 3, 4, out to king your mouth. Say ho. Say hola, hola, hola.
Oh shit.
Now if you down with the old school, you should know this shit. Sing. I said it hip hop. Come on, to the bang bang. Hey,
To the rhythm of the boogie.
the party is over here.
What you hear is
The party is over here. Say what? Beat the groove. And my friends are gonna. Who the fuck are you?
I am one the month and I like to say hello to the black, to the white, the red and the brown, the purple and yellow. Hello. Medea would say hello.
It ain't nothing like hip hop music.
Yes, sir. Now y'all ready to do a little old throwback slogan or what? Y'all think y'all ready? Well, it goes a little something like this.
Something like this.
Y'all better know this. Lottie-dottie. Lottie-dottie. What? Lottie-dottie. What? Just it. The bus it. Lottie-dottie. We like. We don't. We're just. And if you mess around in Jersey, they'll knock you out, right? Oh.
Somebody say turn it up. Say turn it up.
MC in my Gil B
We got hip hop karaoke, New Jersey in the building. While I'm here, I like to thank. Come on. They love hip hop. They love hip hop in here, y'all.
Kill it. We're gonna do one throwback. If y'all really go back, y'all know this, man. This one will really take your ass where you won't have to go to something.